Hello everyone. Now we'll derive the instantaneous rate of change of the activity of a radioactive substance is inversely proportional to the square of its half-life. Okay. So what we're going to derive is d by rt is proportional to 1 by half-life square. Okay. This is the thing we are gonna derive. Okay. So before deriving this equation, we should know this equation of radioactivity. Okay, and after getting it, we need to differentiate with respect to the time. So while we are differentiating with respect to time, lambda comes out re. Okay, and this whole term will become r. Okay, the activity of the substance, and then it become r. It is dr by dt. We also know the activity is lambda n. Now put this value here, so it will become lambda n. So lambda square n dr by dt. So we know that the lambda is equal to 6.6931 by half-life. So here we will put all this 31 square n and r. So we can also now just we have gotten the square here. So clearly we can say dr by dt is proportional to the 1 by half-life square. Okay, and this is proved. Check.